thanks Madam Glam for sending all these beautiful nail colors. This is actually the gorgeous device that we will be using for LED or UV light, and then we have all these different colors just as sitting in the daylight to show you the actual color that you can see. So this is actually the top coat actually for this, and then what else we have, we should have a base coat. So this is peel off base coat, and I assume that it would be easy to take off kind of coat because it's peel off base coat, which is so helpful because I haven't used this kind of base coat before, but I'm really curious to know how it works. And what I struggle about is that I don't want to keep my nail colors for a long time. I often love to change them, and then when the base color is permanent one or longer lasting one, it is kind of hard for me to take that off. But peel off base coat should be my kind of something that we will see later. I really want something very much natural looking, and that is the trend now. So we have this is called Back to Kelly, and then we have this one right here. This is called Am I Clear. It looks really stunning, shiny one. And then another one we have here, it is Builder Light Pink. Looks really natural looking and very stunning. Let's check them out. First we'll be doing the peel off base coat. So it's just clear. I have a discount code for you guys that gives you 35% off. You can also check the link below, which directly automatically applies discount at checkout, and you can choose pay as you go if you don't want to be the VIP member or VIP member for Madam Glam. Tomorrow is the wedding ceremony, and I'm very excited about that. That's why I'm preparing my nails today, and I'm so excited that I'm doing it at home. Let's see how the results come out. So here my nails are done. They set pretty well, but now you can see that I'm peeling them off because I have decided not to mix them all together. Rather, I would go for Builder Pink color in all my nails. And also I'm just testing how the peel off base works because I really want to see that, and see it is pretty easy. I'm already able to peel them off and it is coming off. See? This brand, Madam Glam, really did a great job with this peel-off base coat because I actually always struggle to take off my nail colors, and this peel-off, even after UV light when they were all set, I'm easily taking them off. This is super easy and very convenient for me. See, all of them are coming off so easily. But I would still highly recommend to be gentle with your nails when you take off them because you're peeling them, so be a little careful. But these are really good. They're not harming my nails in any way. Looks good. I'm happy. Builder Pink is really a natural looking color, so I want to put that on my nails, and also I would apply a little bit of glitters. So that's the plan for tomorrow, and can't wait to go to the wedding tomorrow and take you all along with me. I'm very excited about tomorrow, and I hope I can film everything for you guys so I can show you how everything goes on. And yeah, so also very excited because I'm wearing sari after such a long time. That's the plan. So very excited about the whole get up. My sister and I are doing the same nails, so we're pretty excited. So now getting ready for the party in a few hours, and I'm just getting ready. I started a little bit early because it takes time to do makeup and also wearing sari and also have to make the kids ready. So yeah, started early. But if you want to see the whole get ready with me video, then please keep an eye on my beauty channel, Sparkling Beauty Bee. I will be posting the whole get ready with me there. So keep an eye.
so fast. We never saw it coming, too high to come down. Maybe we were lucky, maybe we were just buzzing. Now you don't answer when I call you. You're probably happy and it's more than I could offer. I'm 6 drinks deep, telling stories through this bottle. So much to say and it's a problem. I think
this is the sari that I will be wearing. This is one of my favorite sari. I haven't worn this for years, and today I have this. It is all ready. It has been laundried and it's all good. And then for purse, I'm taking this Saint Laurent bag. I think this matches pretty well. My sister is also wearing a purple sari, so we are matching together. And now it's also time to, figure out which earring we'll be wearing. I have a couple of matching earrings. I am not sure if I want to wear something matching or something a little bit contrast. I have is this. Yeah, so these ones green, I don't know, purple and green looks pretty nice. And then another option I can have is this one. This matches really well. Like this one is lightweight and matches so well, so I'm not sure if I should go with this or maybe this a little contrast but beautiful and blue. So I think blue ones is like not really the vibe today, so let's go for either of this. So I'll be wearing them and check how they look like. Guys, that's the final makeup look. We are actually in a really hurry, so could not do like a lot more video later on because we are running out of time. And that's the sari I'm wearing, and it is pretty, like, it's fitting me well. I'm happy, and that's the final makeup look. So I'll be in the party and then I'll do the rest of the video so you can see more. So see you soon.
I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you. Even though these shots burn like the truth, I keep going back, just like going back to you. I don't know why I showed up and told you that I love you. Maybe it's that we're all talking about the...
We have finally reached, and oh, it looks so beautiful. Everything looks pretty purple. I didn't know, I haven't matched anything, but it just coincidence it matched with my dress. I'm so happy. Look how pretty is everything here. And now we are waiting for the bride to arrive. Everything is so beautiful here. We're having some light snacks before the actual ceremony starts. So yeah, everything looks pretty organized and nice. And here is the imam. So soon there will be the wedding ceremony, and everyone is preparing for that. I don't know how bride and the groom is feeling at this point, but I remember when I was getting married, I was very nervous in this moment. The bride and groom is now married. They're now a married couple. So exciting. And now we are having the food.
Show me.
Yeah.
Kiss, guys. Come on. Kiss.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
3, 1. Okay. Wow. Yeah. More smiles.